Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Provecho Eats. I'm Mireya and today I'll be showing you how to make some bomb ostion shots. Keep watching. Alright, so I'll be showing you guys the ingredients for the ostiones shots. You'll need lime, of course ostiones, canned or fresh, either one will work great, tajin, salsa Maggi, salt, salsa inglesa, valentina, clam juice, clamato, and then you'll need shot glasses, usually something a little bit bigger just because the ostion will take some space, and as many as you'll be needing. All right, the first step is let's rim the shot cup. So we'll add limon, and then we'll do some tajin here on a plate. All right, the next step is adding the ostion, and I'll do just one ostion each. All right, so now that we have an ostion in each shot cup, we're gonna add half a lime to each one. This will help the ostion kind of cocinarse a little bit. All right, so after that, we will add just a couple of drops of salsa Maggi. A couple of salsa inglesa. And then we'll add some valentina. Just a couple drops too. Y clam juice. Nomás para que le dé el sabor. And then we'll add the clamato. We'll add some tajin. And we'll add a little bit more lime. All right, now that we have everything in there, we're just gonna mix it in a little bit. Mix this one. All right, so now that we've finished mixing all the ingredients, look to the final result. They look delicious. And now let's try them out. And here's the end result. Salud.